Hello and welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in my replicable workbench, my next alternative will be a combination of two pirate sets. Set number 21322, the Pirates of Barracuda Bay, and the newest set number 10320, the Eldorado Fortress. This time I decided to make a mini series of video to show the progress of the mock and to have suggestions directly from you. In this way I will also show you how I made a mock step by step. So let's begin with the idea. My idea is to make a remake of set 72-75 Sabre Island with the addition of a Shipwreck pirate ship. So let's move to Studio and then go to File, Import Official Lego Set, and import the two sets. We will begin with the Barracuda, set 21322. Remember to select in scene and both include minifig parts and extra parts. Click Import. Usually this procedure takes a while, it depends on how fast your computer is. And also not every part will be imported due to their absence on Studio database. Now move to the second set. Again, remember to select in scene and both include minifig parts and extra parts, and select import. Again, not every parts are present. Now export this file as a word list XML file. Save it. And then it's time to add this file as palette. Select the file, open it, and now our new inventory is inserted in our palette. As you can see, there aren't parts in the palette because the parts are actually on screen. But if you select all of them and cancel them, they will appear on the palette. Now you can start to build. Remember to save the file. The name of the mock will be Shipwreck on Sabre Island. And in the next video we will start to build the model together. Usually I start to build the model in digital version, and once the mock start to take some good shape, I will start to build also physically to see if everything is good and fits well. See you in the next video.